Course number 977, Multimedia Journalism, Print Journalism. This print journalism course will focus on newspaper writing. Students will be given an introduction into print journalism and newspaper photography. Students will be asked to cover school and community events. These articles and photos will then be published on the school's newspaper website. The class is designed as a hybrid class where students will not be scheduled to meet with the instructor on a day-to-day basis. Students will have the ability to schedule time to meet with the instructor for guidance, but there will not be a regular class meeting time. The students will be asked to publish 8 print stories during each semester. When those stories are finished, it is often flexible and can be worked out with the instructor. The flexibility of the class can be beneficial to many students. With such flexibility and not seeing an instructor on a daily basis, it is important that students who sign up for this class are responsible and reliable. Most communication with the instructor will be electronic, so students must stay self-motivated to complete their work. Rubrics and sample work will be provided to students and available online for them to reference at any time. Many stories will require students to attend after-school events. While working these events, students are expected to act in a professional manner and do their best to cover the story fairly. If you have any further questions about the class, please contact the high school English department or the school's counseling department.